Wednesday, July 10th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you as another very warm and extremely muggy day yesterday across the region. 89 high in Charlotte, 88 in Greensboro, 90 in Raleigh, 88 in Fayetteville, 88 in Wilmington for a high yesterday. Temperatures at the 5 o'clock hour early this morning in the low and mid 70s outside of the mountains. It's another warm and muggy start. Dew point temperatures right up there in the low and mid 70s once again. So it is extremely sticky out there as we start the morning. Now let's take a peek at the radar imagery this morning, and pretty quiet, although we do have these areas of showers off to the north of us, and that is going to probably aid in the development of some scattered thunderstorms around here later in the afternoon and the evening hours as that little piece of energy ripples our way. Now, the rainfall distribution yesterday was again eastern and southern parts of North Carolina that saw the lion's share of the showers and the thunderstorms. I'll highlight a couple areas here down in parts of Montgomery County. You had over 3 and 4 inches of rain. Even higher totals yesterday there in parts of Richmond County. You had totals up over 3, 4, and even some localized 5-inch rain amounts yesterday. And then down to the upstate in northeast Georgia, once again, second consecutive day of some huge rains down there around Lake Hartwell. And looking at a lot of 3, 4, 5-inch totals in that same general area. Lake Hartwell, Anderson, and some surrounding areas yesterday. So again, we're looking at today, as this little disturbance moves in from the north, a little better chance of everybody getting into the action in terms of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, not everybody will see the activity, but I think a wider distribution of these showers and storms today. Now, tomorrow, this cold front actually drops into the region, so it looks pretty unsettled tomorrow with some good areas of rain and thunderstorm activity for our Thursday. Check out some of the rain amounts here that the RPM model is printing out over the next few days. A corridor of some really heavy rain totals that begin to pile up by tomorrow night and Friday. They're in this zone right there, and what will happen is as this front moves in, it kind of stalls out temporarily, and so wherever that front stalls out, you wind up with some pretty big rain totals. Now, where exactly that occurs, still debatable, but somewhere across the region is going to get some pretty big rain totals as we move forward in time later this week, and of course that will undoubtedly cause some additional flash flooding issues. Now in the tropics, boy, I tell you what, Chantal is struggling. Now the last couple of frames here, a little burst of deeper convection trying to fire again, but it is not a healthy looking tropical system. There's your watches and warnings out there, tropical storm warnings for Hispaniola as well as the Turks and Caicos. Tropical storm watch for the southern Bahamas. This is the 5 a.m. advisory, 45 mile per hour sustained winds located 260 miles west-southwest of San Juan in Puerto Rico. This is the Hurricane Center forecast track close to Miami as a tropical depression if it holds together, and then maybe moving toward, this is a little far out to pinpoint, but the center point of the track takes it to the Georgia coast. But anywhere from Florida to the southern North Carolina coast, fair game eventually if this holds together, and that's not a certainty. Let me show you the spaghetti charts here, and you see there's a pretty big spread in where this eventually winds up. Some models even take this to the Gulf, others right up through Florida, and a couple as far east as the North Carolina coast. So again, a lot of uncertainty here, but the bottom line is it is a pretty unhealthy looking system at the moment, and it might not even survive for too much longer as the system will now be interacting with the very mountainous Hispaniola. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.